Greetings everyone. In this tutorial I want to show you how to add a shortcut to the Google Edge favorites bar. I sort of refer to it as the bookmarks toolbar, which is right here, this gray bar right in this area. So if I want to add Act to this area for a shortcut, when Act is open, I'm going to come up here and see the little what appears to look like a lock. I'm going to click on that, hold, and I'm just going to drag it down and let go and drop it right on this toolbar. Now, it's very easy to do, so when you come back into Microsoft Edge, if Act isn't open, you just have to click that and it will start the process. Having said that, if for some reason you don't see this bar, I'm going to right-click on this bar and I'll show you that here it says Show Favorites Bar, and right now it says Always, Never, Only on New Tabs. I'm going to click Never to turn it off. So if you don't see that bar, the way you get it back, come over to the three dots, click on them, go down to where it says Settings, come over to the left and click on Appearance, scroll down to where you see right here it says Show Favorites Bar, it says Never. I'm going to click Always, and that's how you set it. They sort of make you dig for that, but now that you've done that, when you go back and look at it, you'll see the bar is there, and that's all you have to do. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. You have a great day. Bye now.